Surgery for women over 50, or as we're getting older, it's not always about the physical side of it, it's often about the emotional well-being. Preparing mentally and emotionally can make the world of difference as to how you go through the procedure, how you approach it, and how you recover afterwards. We might worry about the fact that our body might recover slower, and how we're going to go about that. The actual recovery might take longer than we're used to when we were younger. So when we hear that we have to go through a surgery or go through a procedure, it's totally normal for a flood of emotions to move through your body, through your head. Sleep might be difficult, just worrying about all the unknown and what it could bring from the investigation or whatever's happening for you. And so anxiety and fear and worry are just all normal emotions that we go through. If the emotional weight of preparing for the tests or preparing for surgery or procedures feels too heavy for you to carry on your own, then looking for a therapist that can offer coping strategies or can help you to look at what it is that's actually causing the anxiety, because it's not always about what you're thinking. It's not always about the procedure or the test or whatever. It could be about something that you've experienced before, and that's adding to your anxiety and adding to the pressure that you're putting on yourself before the actual procedure happens. So acknowledging these feelings, instead of pushing them down, instead of swallowing them, instead of not admitting that they're there, that's really the first step towards helping you to have a much more controlled way of looking at this challenge that you're facing. So working through your emotions and your fears and your worries with a therapist can really help you to gain that self-control, that feeling of I am in control of this. It's not, instead of it being in control of you, can make a huge difference as to how you approach the procedure or the operation. It can make a big difference as to how you recover, how you feel about recovery, how you feel about your body recovering, and help it to do the best it can for you, really. So if you're in a positive state, if you feel in control of the situation, it'll make a huge difference as to what your outcome is.